Hello again. Welcome to Nyonya Recipe. Today we're going to make an extension of what we did in the previous video, which is to make more rice balls or tang yuan or yi. We call it in Hokkien yi. So this time we're going to make it with some fillings. And the first one that we made was actually a very simple one, but now I'm getting a bit adventurous. But actually, if you look at my blog, there are some few blogs that I have, some blog posts that I have that actually talks about a more complicated Kuih Ee or Tang Yuan. So now let's go and see what's involved. Today's ingredients, what I have is I have the current rice balls that we made from glutinous rice, and I've got about 2, 4, 6, 8, about 9 pieces. And then I've got a lotus paste, which is short bought. You can actually buy it in the Chinese supermarket. I also come across sweet bean paste, which is actually adzuki paste, adzuki bean paste that is actually, made into a paste and is sweet. It's all of these are sweetened. And also I managed to get some black sesame paste. So all these black paste can be used as filling for rice balls, or we can use it as filling for bao, and also for mooncakes. And I also have with me some leftover coconut that I made the other day. So this is coconut with brown sugar. Yeah, brown sugar, which I used to make my other cakes, my other kuihs. So now we're going to have 4 different types of filling. So let's see how it goes. I have with me here the lotus paste. Yeah, the lotus paste. And this is the azuki base, red bean we call it. And this is the black sesame, and this is the coconut. So I've made about 8 or 9 pieces of this ball. So what we're going to do is, let me wipe my hand clean. Because I've used it, I've rolled it in the palm, the fillings is dark color. Okay, now I'll take one and I'll make a hole. I'll make a big hole this way. Yep, and then I just put one here, and then I cover it, bring it together. And make sure all of it is roll up. Yeah, and it becomes a round thing, a round ball. Yeah. This is one done. It's got a bit of red color, but doesn't matter. So I'll do another one for the red bean paste, the adzuki bean paste. Yeah. Then I do another one for the black sesame. So we just do like a little hole in there. And then you roll it into a round. Make sure that it's almost equal thickness. The dough is of almost equal thickness. Yeah, and then I'll try the one with the coconut. The coconut is a bit loose in that sense, but I did actually put some starch in there to bind it up. So here we go. Oops. Coconut is a bit difficult. Yep, we got it done. Make sure it doesn't break and it's of the same thickness. Yeah, I don't know which is which. Whatever. Okay, maybe we should put a different color, but doesn't matter. I'll do the rest. Okay, now I've already wrapped everything inside, and I'm trying to make some signs, some patterns, not patterns, some markings to show so that I know which is which. I think the one with the pink, one pink is actually the lotus, And then the 2 green is actually black sesame seed, and 1 green is azuki, and the plain one is coconut. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil it. So they're all done now. Yeah. I'm going to take it up. Okay. So we're done. So now we're going to now we're going to check how good they are. So this is the one. Okay. These are the one that's a big one with fillings. And then we're going to show this. Check how it looks like. You want to cut it open. You need to cut it open. Oops. This is how it looks like. Yeah. I think this is the black sesame. And yeah, it's the black sesame. I can smell the sesame smell. And this one, ooh, is the lotus paste. I think this is a coconut. Ooh. Yeah, this is the coconut. And this is the azuki beans, red beans. They call it ang tao, which we use for a lot of our, you know, our sweet pudding and soups. So here you are. These are the tang yuan with fillings. So let's have a close up of this. This is the first one is sesame. This one is lotus seed. This one is lotus seed, and then we have coconut, and then we have azuki beans. So there you go. We have 4 types of tang yuan, 4 types of kuih ee, with different filling. This one is black sesame. This is lotus paste. This is coconut, and this is azuki beans or red beans. I wonder how it tastes like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and eat one of each. So I'm going to close this up. I'm cheating. Put it in the syrup, and I'm going to eat it. It's very sticky. The glutinous is very sticky, and the azuki beans is actually very sticky. It's the same bean that you go to this Japanese restaurant. They use this dore whatever, the pancake that's got azuki beans there. It's the same type of bean. The next one I'm going to have is coconut, which is very Malaysian. Okay, I'm going to put it in the syrup. I like this because I like coconut, and I think this size is actually quite difficult to eat, you know. It's quite a big mouthful unless we chew it into half, and then you know, bite it into half and then we chew it. And this one is lotus paste. So let me try the lotus paste half and see. Let's try and see. I bite half of the lotus paste and see how it goes. It's certainly not such a big mouthful. I'm full now. Let's try the black beans. Sorry, the black sesame. So what I'm going to do is the rest, I'm going to keep it in the fridge and I'll do it tomorrow when my daughter comes back from uni. No, that will be on Monday. No, tomorrow is Sunday. So I'm having the black sesame. Well, the verdict is it's different. And it's quite big, this one, so I think if you were to make it, I suggest you make it smaller, not as big as the one that I made, which is quite a mouthful. So if you don't want to eat a very big ball, like when you chew it goes all over your mouth and it sticks all over, then you make a smaller one. I like the syrup. So there you are. You got all the what do you call that? The skill. You have learned all the skill to make a plain tang yuan or plain yi. And I've also shown you how to put in fillings to the yi, which is the glutinous rice ball. Actually, mochi is made from the same material. You know, it's glutinous rice, and it's exactly the way it's made. But maybe in Japan, they cook the whole thing first before they put the filling inside. And it's also the same ingredient for the Malay dessert called onde onde, which I will at some time show you, but you can get the recipe in my Nyonyarecipe.com, which is my website plus blog plus a little shop. So thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy watching this. Do give me a thumbs up and click to subscribe so that you will be notified every time I publish a new video. So until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. I give you all the recipes which you don't even have to cook, you just watch. Alright then, bye!